Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Shadow Fight 3 with friends. Alright, let's begin. First, launch the Shadow Fight 3 application on your device. Before you can access any multiplayer options, you need to progress through the early stages of the game. Complete Chapter 1 and reach Level 2 to unlock the duel mode. This is the main way the game allows players to fight against other real players. Once duel mode is unlocked, you can start searching for opponents on the same server. Duels match you with random players, so there's no direct option to invite or select a specific friend to fight against. Because of this, you and your friend must be on the same server to have a chance of matching with each other. Even then, matchmaking is not guaranteed. The best approach is for both players to queue for duels at the same time and hope the system pairs you together. Make sure both of you are using the same game version to avoid compatibility issues. Also, keep your device system updated so the game runs smoothly during online matches. So that's basically how you can play Shadow Fight 3 with friends. That's it for this video. Thanks!